Well, this time I put this straight solution on. See, it has color to it. And let's just try that stubborn part. Where is it? Oops, right there. Yeah, look at this. Coming off. So, sometimes you have to try the straight solution. Amazing stuff. Still have some left. I wish I took a picture of this top when before I cleaned it. It was all black, all completely black. Look, I'll just have to do a little bit more work, but you are getting the idea how nicely it works. But it seems like I might have to use more solution. Well, yeah, I'll show you the final picture when I'm done.